Today, we are diving into the future of smartphones because Samsung is about to drop a bombshell with the new Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Get ready for a new wave of innovation with Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. The S25 Ultra is set to redefine what we expect from a smartphone. That's right, the S25 Ultra is poised to be the most powerful phone ever made, set to be officially announced this October. But that's not all. Get ready to experience a whole new level of innovation with the introduction of the Galaxy AI 2nd Gen. Now, what sets Samsung apart from the rest? It's Galaxy AI, and Samsung is doubling down on AI with the next big upgrade coming to Bixby. This update will introduce proper generative AI features, making Bixby more intuitive and capable than ever before. Imagine a voice assistant that understands you on a deeper level, capable of deciphering complex sentences, responding to voice commands, and engaging in natural conversations. Need a recipe for tonight's dinner? Simply ask Bixby, and it will guide you every step of the way just like a trusted friend. While Samsung hasn't given us an exact release date for this big Bixby update, coincide with the launch of One UI 7.0 or One UI 7.1 based on Anno 15, the software for the Galaxy S25 series. If true, it's safe to say that the future of smartphones has never looked brighter. Stay tuned for more updates. But wait, there's more. Brace yourselves for the arrival of the Galaxy S24 Fan Edition. Set to debut this summer, the S24 FE is coming earlier than expected, joining the lineup alongside the Galaxy Z Sticks, Flip 6, and possibly the Z Fold FE or the Fold 6 Ultra at the July Unpacked event. Production is already in full swing, with millions of units expected to hit the shelves. Samsung is banking heavily on the success of the S24 FE, and I can't wait to see what they have in store for us. Could this be the next big thing? Only time will tell. And let's not forget from the powerful S25 Ultra to the upcoming S24 Fan Edition and beyond, there's a lot to look forward to. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates, and until next time, peace out.